come back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about push on maritime lawyer steps over injury maritime worker can experience. There are several degrees of brain injury depending on the severity of the brain. Brain injury can be caused by extreme heat stress, electricity, cervical lesion, or arbitration. Any of these brain hazards are present of severing vessel or of psoriasis. Brain injury can range from mild to life-altering burns, including one, first dangerous brain. This is usually a surface brain that does not necessarily require medical attention, but may cause but many cause irritation and pain. Second degree burns. This is a more severe burn that might cause bitter and might extend below the surface valley. Can take a few weeks. Third and fourth degree burns. These are the most serious brain injury because they extend through the entire layer of tissue that lays below the surface. This layer contains structures such as the nervous ending, nerve glands, hair follicles, and blood capillaries. The brain injury are much more severe and will require a longer healing process and more medical attention. Serious brain injury complication. Severe brain injury can lead to serious complication if not treated properly. Treat or protect brain complication include where hypothermia resulting from the loss of body heat due to the damaged skin, hypovolemia from damaged blood vessel causing your body to lose blood and other foods, infection resulting from the lack of protective barriers due to the damaged skin, joint individuals can result from the build-up of scar tissue. Sepsis can result from an infection. This is a life-threatening condition. Hospitalization for catastrophic burns can run into six-figure. This is why it is vital to contact an attorney as soon as possible to call for financial compensation for your injuries. Meron mga ganun. Um, Surveillance injury with a support can establish your footer and the corner. You get in contact with a maritime born injury lawyer, the better your chance of achieving the best possible outcome for your case. Host and maritime brain injury attorney. Health injuries occur frequently in the maritime industry depending on the severity of the injury. A lifelong treatment may be needed in many cases. In my sim, as cases could have not been prevalent. In reality, many brain injury accidents could have been prevented with the proper precaution. It is the case. You may be able to file a claim under the Jonas Act. Some of the most common causes of brain injury include one, broken equipment, two, conveyor belt accident, three, crane and cargo accident, four, improper particulars or training, five, restored equipment, six, lack of safety equipment, seven, proper ship maintenance, and eight, slip and fall accident. Types of brain injury and common symptoms. When a maritime suffer a head injury, it's a one of two types: a closed head injury and an open head injury. A closed head injury is when an injury doesn't cause skull to be broken, fractured, or freeze. An open head injury is when the skull is pressed or fractured. So open head injury may seem more severe. Closed head injury are difficult to diagnose and can require aggressive treatment. Common symptoms of brain injuries include cognitive damage, memory loss, trouble with presentation and attention, serious symptoms, loss of vision, hearing loss, or loss of taste, or some mild physical symptoms, severe health loss, paralysis, insomnia, chronic pain, or linguistic record, behavioral or emotional symptoms, irritability, anger, depression, and dramatic mood swings. On a level of brain emails can have a serious impact on can employees' daily life, altering their personality and their ability to make a living. When a brain injury happens because an employee or so workers must take in hospital for injury, people to hold at fault parties accountable for their own sake, the sake of other employee and the sake of the loved ones they support. Maritime amputation injury lawyer. Although not all maritime injury are caused by negligence, amputation injury are done are if an employer vessel owner fails to maintain equipment, train the crew, or create a safe work environment, it can cause serious injury that requires amputation. Some of these accidents might be caused due to the following: insecure cargo navigation collision, lack of safety and equipment training, defective and small function equipment. Um, remind that most of the things working correctly. It is the employer's responsibility to ensure the workers are properly trained to use to the equipment. If your employee has not met the standard, then your roles, limit, address, or see what negligence shall be held accountable. Amputation treatment surgery is required to treat a lost limb or to amputate a limb, or once you have a surgery, you might still need extensive physical and emotional therapy to help you adjust the new reality of missing a limb or using a prosthetic limb. Despite many costs can be difficult for an injury married worker to handle, especially while supporting family or friends other often has to help our clients rebuild their financial security in the ways of costly medical treatment. This is why it is vital to contract maritime foundation injury as soon as possible. Okay, guys. This is first discussion of court auto maritime lawyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.